Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757. Admission open for playgroup, pre-nursery and nursery. Angels Play School, Upper Lachimia, Shillong. Contact 98635-67162 or 600-9322-457.
UMP Jongga Shillong Lok Sabha Constituency Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon hakanyo truk leber alajar pausan ula pelait Paidbah ikut kebelai kerteng Women Pathfinders of Meghalaya belapin bit penbiang do Dr. David Arnold Khashandi ubulong Assistant Professor haga Department of History but ubulong ru Secretary Jongga Center for Historical Research Hasinot College Shillong. Ia kini ke program lepin long the Women Cell Jongga Center for Historical Research Hasinot College Shillong. But hakani ke sengi ke Dr. Janita Mary Nong Kinri kepada ke Head Jongga Urban and Regional Planning Division Northeastern Space Application Center ke Sorkat India Department of Space Umyam Meghalaya kelajing keren hadokapang for all women and girls right equality empowerment.
Privilege for me to stand before all of you to release this book, Women Pathfinders of Meghalaya. A book edited by David Arnold Khashandi. And I hope that readers will benefit immensely through each and every writings that you find in the pages of this book. May God bless the readers who read and ponder the writings of you find in writings of this book. Thank you so much. Well, this college, I know, has played a very significant role in shaping the young minds, in fostering intellectual growth, and even nurturing leaders who have contributed, quite meaningfully to our society and even outside of, the state. Well, today we all gathered here to celebrate the International Women's Day, which is tomorrow. As I was sitting and knowing that tomorrow is the International Day for Women, so as a society, I think it just speaks about a society we are quite advanced, particularly in the context of of our outlook towards women. So I think it is we are ahead. I think the rest of the world, the college especially. So. International Women's Day, which is a day that is being dedicated to recognizing the achievement, the resilience, and also the contribution of women across the world. Well, it is indeed an opportunity for us who are present here to reflect on the progress that has been made towards gender equality, and we are all here to reaffirm our commitment to building an inclusive society where women have equal opportunities in all spheres of life, as Dr. Janita Mary Nong Kinri has rightly said in the second part of her presentation. And for me, I am quite delighted that your college continues to be one of the driving force in promoting gender equality, and today here we are here to prove this fact that your college indeed is one college that is leading in the context of bringing about this issue to the entire society. Awareness program, development skill initiative that I believe the college has been undertaking from time to time. Well, this platform has, I would say, has been instrumental in empowering young women and also addressing critical issues that impact them. Similarly, the Center for Historical Research here in Syngkon College, I know, has been a beacon of knowledge, which has encouraged research as well as documentation. In fact, this book again is a proof of that, particularly in the context of Northeast India's rich cultural as well as historical heritage. I'm sure the efforts put in by the historical research of Syngkon College will ensure that the legacy and also the contribution of our people, particularly women, are acknowledged and preserved for future generation.
Ngadap dah kajing kemen ke bakrau, banyo ikan sen ke bakhandai ke basipau, ban edit yakini kikot nak ke Center for Historical Research mengidan apa Syngkon College, ke bang ade founding secretary jongka. Te hakani ke sengi ke bangi release yakini kikot Women Pathfinders of Meghalaya, kadika kot bangi dedicate namenta ki kentai, ki bala no senyang bala bon bah, nadok ki por ki bala kham menchwa, hadok menta, Henry bon nangi ngalaban ong with confidence bangim tip ya kita ki women trailblazers magyong kita ki nong krat lenti haki spheres of governance haki spheres of politics haki spheres of jingpule kum education but kum terter ting ngala conceive ya taka idea ba let's have a platform bangin ai kumno bangila banyo ya kata ka kabu banwan ra ya kita ki unsung heroes Syaki forefronts benginya tip lang tang mangi hapo ka academic field Henry ki nong syong jong ka jelahi hang ne brok ke Meghalaya but kumjuk ru ya ki researchers bekin your access ben tip syapang teki kentai jongi ki bala contribute labon te de pipet ya kan ka kot bengi release mentang sengi Women Pathfinders of Meghalaya ki don ar penyu teli ki chapter hang ne but lai spa andropoi teli ki slah ne bonong te habang edit ya kani ka kot ngalap ba ki nong contribute kilong kom ikong Rosmilan Batau Kharbuli mo kom bangi baro ngi TBE idei chairperson jong ka Union Public Service Commission ka kentai ka Banengkong tang ha ka jela Meghalaya bar ka kentai ka Banengkong ha ka rihi baro kawai te kani ka I men same shikadai yangi kom ki sendrang bar kom joro ngange ya baro khoi ki ban puli kini kislah bekin yo access bar ngintip tang ikong Rosmilan Henry bapinyo ban puli kom ikong Holibon Marbanyang ibanado ki early parts of 20th century hekat kendai spa tam ilalong way na ki entrepreneurs ki blami syakmat kom jo ikong Elibon ro kumta te hangni ngi don tang kataro ngi la reflect ro ya ka contribution jo ikong Rebecca Suchiang ngi PGI kom i tai chief secretary mo na ki khasi jantia but kum jo nga thok manga ka paper halor ikong mat seu dorwar nongbri dengi pe ka paper manga thok manga spang jong ing page as a dual role tang kata ka administrator mokum ha ka kardan be ibat mai kum ka IAS henry nga page i na ka spheres jong ka archery lamar ngi la ngi pule spang ka archery ngi tip ba kade ka sport ka game la ni kata ka jing ya le mo ba ki chem ki senrang at the forefront henry mai la long iwe na kita ki kentai ki bala iblami ista karan sandro kabang ngikham expect babon and me iru ila pahro international level one long as a judge jong ka archery te ladangi pet ne kini ki personalities ki bladon iwe hedin iwe bla mention ne bro arpon yongon ka I ben sim shika de tang yangi andai ka I ben sim shika de gitu kinong sngap ki bawan hakane ka national seminar banginang shudep but chingala ada release honorable chief minister release yakane ka kot hapo secretariat ka bagi ai kerteng her story the women trailblazers of Meghalaya kani kado kadai ka coffee table book da phi kwa ban chutip khndiat langkot chapang kini ki kan thai phin lap ki detail sang ne hoi kiladon ki basit tho halor kini ki coffee table book henry kani lagam jelio takadaw hangni phin lap ita i praspa si hajar kentin ki bandon about them henry kani kadai detail research kaba ki benang im ngilayo banyak keren bat maki mo markhmat bat ki handai kita ki bomdon show hangne na ki khon ki kti jong ki na ki khon ksio na ki colleagues jong ki bat kumta ter so it's a thorough research work hangne แต่คุมจูรู้กันไปอีดังอินเทอร์วิวมั้งนั่นแหละบรรยากาศพี่บอกคนนี้อุบนายอุบันวันเขา April รู้งี้ดอนสักตาก his story งี้ลองกันสันหางนี้ก็บางองบางฮิกายมั่งada historianนี่ละเดดังฮิกายบอก classroom dan orang iki shim yaki textbooks of modern India and especially the people yakini ki India struggle for independence ngitip bang nangi hang ne ngi don utirot sing ngi don upatagan sangma ngi don ukyang nang ba but kan no nangi dengi let shapo mainland India dengi keli kitu ki brave dan chite ba ki tip shapang ki jongi de bengi pej ada national level ki jongi ki dang longkum ansang de kum johi la dengi shong hapo state la jong ngange na piru pinya menjur baki bon ki unsung heroes baki klem mi ha any of the pages of history balatho the mangi ki local sangne lani any of the history textbooks balatho hapo national level laringi pej kum ki kot main textbooks ba ki bala contribute yakane ka India struggle for independence kum Bipan Chandra utho India struggle for independence Sumit Sarkar utho modern India Shekhar Bandyopadhyay utho from Plassey to partition A.R. Desai utho social background of Indian nationalism ngilaban name books after books and the pipet yek tigi slan jang tigi kot kalong ka basngosi ba ya utirot sing ya ukyang nang ba ya patogan sang ma klem mention haki to kikot ki bangi puli omtang ha kerdan jong ka high school lani ka kerdan jong ka college even ru hado ka masters level so kani long ka kabu bangan yo ban ong mo ya baka sarkaru kana simkia lor kani buat kani ka NEP ngi bahikai history ngi kemen shikadai e bala penrung omtang ya ka history of Northeast India Henry Menta kladon ka history and culture of Meghalaya ya bangi yo lat ban hikai Shapang kari jong la jong. Ladangi ong banjit te labon e. Na marngi ide kita ki researchers bangi pej om tang na surface level banajrong. Hendangi ida ngam jelio ban pej ba om tang itu iba mikmat hendaki associates jong kiro ki tre borba ngitip ladagade kano arena. Te hakane nga device ban penmi ya kata concept note bangalat ho. Hangta ngala kedau ngala ai kita ki sub teams ki biyong tinga hot for papers bakin wan checkmat te kini ki para contributors ki badon lang hang ne ki arpun nyongon hang ne ki ngi ai ki kata kalat kata kabu bakin jet maki kita ki personalities bakin ngo maki bakin feature kan ka kot then ki submit ka abstract then we review mangi ka committee concern and then we call in them bakin tang bakin chu ai ka paper and they ban present ban defend but ang tabre ban sa submit finally but ngin sa penbi hakaka hakar kom jong ka kot ka